Okay, I'm going to show you how to use a semantic feature analysis organizer. And you're probably wondering what that even is. Well, semantic means relating to meaning and language or logic. So basically, we're going to analyze features that relate to each other. Or in other words, we're going to compare and contrast properties. So say you're in a math class. I love math, and you have a little geometry party going on, and you got the squares over here that think that they're perfect because, well, they kind of are, and then you have the rectangles that are all sad because they wish they were perfect, like the squares, and you got a little parallelogram that doesn't really know where he belongs to. And then in the other corner you have the triangles, and you have the equilateral triangles debating with the right triangles because the equilateral triangles think that they're perfect and the right triangles think they're always right. It's just a big mess. You have the little hybrid equilateral right triangle, but he doesn't really matter. Nobody listens to him anyway. And then you have an obtuse triangle that really just wants cake because he's obtuse. But they have more in common than you think. So this is where you use the semantic feature analysis organizer, which is basically just a chart, where on one side you have all of the things that you want to compare, and on the other side you have the properties, and then you X off the things that they have in common. So we have the squares, the rectangles, the parallelograms, right triangles, equilateral triangles, and obtuse triangles. And for properties, we have 3 sides, 4 sides, at least 1 right angle, 4 right angles, 2 sets of parallel sides, all equal side lengths, 2 sets of equal side lengths. Okay, so the squares, they have 4 sides, they have at least 1 right angle, they have 4 right angles even, they have 2 sets of parallel sides, they have all equal side lengths, and they have 2 sets of equal side lengths because, well, they're perfect. And, the rectangles, they have 4 sides, they have at least 1 right angle, um, they have 2 sets of parallel sides, and they have 2 sets of equal side lengths. Parallelograms have 4 sides and 2 sets of parallel sides and 2 sides of equal side lengths. Blah, blah, blah. This is not a geometry lesson, but you can see how the thing works. So the students will see that they have more in common than they believed before, and hopefully they can all learn to live together in happiness.